Angga. You look amazing today. You must have a beautiful day. In this video, I'll show you who I am and what I can do for you. If you want to see my portfolio, let's check this out. Hello everyone, my name is Angga and you can just call me Angga. I'm a graphic designer, web designer, and WordPress developer. I create world-class graphic and website design to help business do better online. My age is 27. My email is angga@navillerastudio.com. I'm an Indonesian citizen and this is my phone. And you can contact me in Facebook by clicking this link, or you can make a contract with me through upwork.com by click this link, or you can explore my Instagram. You can click this link, and if you want to see my work and how I design, you can explore my YouTube by click this link. Okay, and this is my portfolio. You can visit my portfolio by clicking this button. And yeah, this is I'm Angga Ramadan, talented graphic and website designer, specializing in UX and UI design. Well, first in numerous design software, including Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Figma, InDesign, Adobe XD, and After Effects. I also have a background in marketing. This is my professional skill. I am an expert in Adobe Illustrator, and I also have experience and expertise in Adobe Photoshop, WordPress, After Effects, Figma, Adobe XD, Design Thinking, and Adobe InDesign. And this is my latest project with my friend James Mason, a website design for a renovation company website located in Australia, owned by a generous and smart man named James Mason. This is my work, and here is my work experience. I have gone through a long journey as a graphic designer and web designer. Each step provided a meaningful lesson in my career development. Here are my rock steps in my career adventure as a graphic designer and website designer. Yeah, today I work as a full-time graphic designer, web designer, and WordPress developer in Upwork.com. As a rising talent at Upwork.com, clients entrust me with the design for their business. I am also proud to be certified as a graphic designer from Upwork.com. Check out my profile by clicking on this link to work with me. This is my studio named Navillera Studios, and this is my latest company, Travelover and Alkafi Foundation. And here is my education and certification. And I just inform you that you're really going to hire someone with impressive experience and good knowledge. In 2010 until 2012, I studied multimedia engineering. Then I studied marketing management at STID Al Hadid Surabaya. Then I built my skill with course for web development, creating an e-commerce website in BWA online course Jakarta. And I have a certification from Upwork.com as a graphic designer in 2021. Next, this is my work, but it's just a sample. Here are some portfolio for website design that I have created. See complete portfolio by click this link. And you can click this image, then you can show the whole pages of the image, or this. And this is my design for freepik.com. So that is image not included, easy to customize, multi-purpose landing page. Yeah, I also a Freepik contributor. So here are my several design for freepik.com. And then this is my latest app design for Suzuki. And this is a design for mountain bike in Indonesia, especially in Jakarta. Okay, and here is my clients: Academy, Click Armor, Elnusa Petrovin. Elnusa Petrovin is a government company, and New JKF located in France. And here are my clients that gave testimony for me. You can read. Angga delivered the work as described. We can call him the Elementor Ninja. I work for Saad to Click Armor with Elementor. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a talented freelancer, adhere to the instruction and impress you with implementation. Will become our web designer for any related tasks. I enjoyed the work with him. And then this is a US actress. I love my design, clean, vibrant, modern. This is the second time I'm working with Angga, and he is a real pro. He is thoughtful and generous in his work, and it's great to collaborate with someone who wants to make sure you are pleased with the outcome. I'm certain I'll work with him again. Thank you, Tamara. And this is from Upwork. Oh no, this is 99 Design. Angga was such a pleasure to work with. He came up with a design that was right in line with what I wanted. We went back and forth and in the creative process and it became crystal clear. Very happy with final design. He is talented, patient, and totally professional. And here is my first client in Upwork.com. Angga did a fantastic job and delivered more than we expected. Will definitely recommend him. Ryan Disleton, Australia. And if you want to see my services, I have 3 services: web design, web development using WordPress, and graphic design. Web design, including research, all design assets you need, responses less than 24 hours, unlimited revisions, UIUX guidelines, secure contract via Upwork.com. And then WordPress development, all included on web design, WordPress development, Google Sitekit configuration, responses less than 24 hours, Then yeah, until secure contract via Upwork.com. And the last is graphic design, branding and marketing visual. All your branding design with simple stress-free order. You just contact me directly. If you can find a package that suits your business, just send me a message. Okay, and last but not least, if you're looking for a complete talented graphic designer, web designer, and WordPress developer to boost your business online, you just need one click to get that person. Send me your message, and thank you.